More than 300 people who are homeless died in Multnomah County in 2022, setting a grim new record for the community.
And this is all according to the program Domicile Unknown, which has tracked these deaths for more than a decade. Our Brandon Thompson digging deeper into that report live for us now. And Brandon, let's start with how you found drug overdoses are a major factor here.
Overdoses were the leading cause of death in 2022 of people who are homeless, according to this report. Because of that, we were pressing county leaders on what they're doing to provide more resources for addiction. More people dying on the streets of Multnomah County than ever before.
I guarantee you that this number is an underestimate of the total number of deaths.
315 people who are homeless died in the county in 2022, a 29% increase from 2021, 123 from drug overdoses, and 25 homicides. The county estimates that's a homicide rate 30 times higher than the general population.
It's an indictment on an entire nation that is deeply unequal, that has a frayed, if not missing, social safety net.
The leading cause of death was far and away overdoses from drugs. 123 people total. Most, the report notes, had several substances in their system. It found 74 people's deaths were caused or contributed by fentanyl. That is compared to 36 deaths in 2021 and just 4 in 2020. The report adds 100 deaths were contributed by meth and alcohol. Does seeing the numbers of how many homeless people are dying from addiction change your urgency in creating sobering centers and detox beds?
Yeah, we have been working very closely with our healthcare partners, with CCOs, with some of our nonprofit partners to look at how we can maximize the resources that we have in our county. We also know that it's going to take partnership with the state, so we're having conversations about what can happen in this legislative session.
We've reported this year the county has struggled to fund a 24-hour sobering center, while a detox center opened with Measure 110 money earlier this year. When unexpected funding came into the county in the fall, Vega Peterson led spending it on a 24-hour stabilization center instead.
So what we're doing with the investments that we've made this year is really making sure that when people go through treatment or go through detox, that they are not being released out onto the street where chances of relapse are so much more likely.
So a change in state law changed how this report was compiled in years past. The county relied on just medical examiner data, but with that state law, they're now including data of hospitals as well as people who died in medical settings. Still, though, if the county just relied on the medical examiner data, there were 56 more people who were homeless who died in 2022 than in 2021. Live in downtown Portland, Brandon Thompson, KOIN 6 News.
Yeah.